Today, we're tackling a super common question for all you Kwikset SmartCode 909 users out there. How to change code on Kwikset SmartCode 909. Whether you've just moved into a new home, want to update security, or simply forgot your current code, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, making it incredibly easy to change your user codes on your Kwikset SmartCode 909 electronic deadbolt. Let's get started. Before we dive in, make sure you have your Kwikset SmartCode 909 manual handy, though honestly, you probably won't need it after this guide. The process for how to change the code on a Kwikset SmartCode 909 is straightforward once you know the secret. Section 1. Identifying the program button. The first crucial step is locating the program button. This small button is only found on the interior side of your Kwikset SmartCode 909 lock assembly. You'll need to open your door to access it. It's typically a small black button, sometimes labeled A, or simply just a button that protrudes slightly. This is your key to programming new codes. Section 2. Adding a new user code. Now, let's add a new user code. Remember, your Kwikset SmartCode 909 can store multiple unique user codes. Open the door. Make sure your door is open and unlocked. This prevents accidental lockouts. Press the program button once. Locate that program and button on the interior side and press it once. You should hear a beep, and the keypad on the exterior will flash green. This indicates the lock is in programming mode. Enter your new user code. On the exterior keypad, enter your desired 4 to 8-digit user code. Choose something memorable but secure. Press the lock button. Immediately after entering your new code, press the lock button, the Kwikset logo button, on the exterior keypad. Confirmation. You should hear a long beep, and the keypad will flash green. This confirms your new user code has been successfully added to your Kwikset SmartCode 909. It's always a good idea to test your new code immediately to ensure it works. Close your door, but don't lock it with the key or thumb turn yet. And try locking and unlocking with your newly programmed code. Here are a few essential tips and answers to common questions about your Kwikset SmartCode. 909. How to delete a user code on Kwikset SmartCode. 909. To delete a specific user code, the process is very similar. Press the program button twice. Enter the user code you wish to delete. Press the lock button. The lock will beep and flash green, confirming the code has been removed. What if I hear a red flash or multiple beeps? This usually indicates an error. It could mean your code was too short, long, or the lock timed out of programming mode. Just restart the process from step 1. Battery replacement. If your Kwikset SmartCode 909 isn't responding, check the batteries. Low batteries can cause erratic behavior. The battery pack is located on the interior assembly. Master code. Important. The Kwikset SmartCode 909 does not have a master code feature like some other Kwikset models. All codes are managed directly through the program button. This simplifies things, but is good to know if you're used to other locks. Forgot all codes? How to factory reset Kwikset SmartCode. 909. If you've forgotten all your codes and need a fresh start, you can perform a factory reset. This will delete all user codes. Remove the battery pack. Press and hold the program button while reinserting the battery pack. Keep holding for about 30 seconds until the lock beeps and the keypad flashes red, then green. Release the program button. Your Kwikset SmartCode 909 is now reset, and you'll need to create new codes. And there you have it. Changing the code on your Kwikset SmartCode 909 is a simple process that you can do in minutes. Woo! I hope this how-to guide was clear and helpful for you. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button. Share it with anyone who might need this info. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more smart home tips, electronic lock tutorials, and product reviews.